Okay guys, now it's time for me to show you how to change the filter on the Tan Handy unit. It's so easy. All we need to do is flip our unit up like this, open the filter cage, take out the filter and wash it. All you need to do is wash it in clean water. You can use a bowl or you can run it under a tap. But once it's in the water, just give it a squeeze, make sure you get all that excess tan out, and then let it air dry. My recommendation would be to do it overnight. The Tan Handy unit is so simple, you've only got to do this once per year. Now, once you put that back together, you can get spray tanning again.